If you're traveling west on the 434, just shy of the Tioga line, and your heart is aching in the hills of Appalachian, stop by for a hell of a time. You'll find a sweet lady and her fair husband too, with 2 chickens and kids on each arm. There's beer in the cooler, there's floats on the pond at the Robinson family farm. Toe side door your partner down to the fire, swing a girl on each one of your arms. You can set up your tent, hell, you can bring your RV to the Robinson family farm.
Don't pick fights with the landlord, don't shit in the woods, don't get anyone started on Trump. No guns, only kisses, don't piss off the missus, no white drugs, no cheapskates, no grumps. You'll find most folks pleasant except the ones that you don't, and even those folks aren't without their charms. You can come for the turkey, you can stay for the tunes at the Robinson family farms.
Roadside door your partner down to the fire, swing a girl on each one of your arms. You can set up your tent, hell, you can bring your RV to the Robinson family farms.
It's all about Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Come Sunday, we're all breaking down. So don't be an a-hole, fall in a K-hole, and we go on the way out of town. Leave the place better than when you showed up, or you'll answer to the sergeant of arms. Leave a fin in the tip jar, or a tune in the air at the Robinson family farm.
Roadside door your partner down to the fire, swing a girl on each one of your arms. You can set up your tent, hell, you can bring your RV to the Robinson family farms. Roadside door your partner down to the fire, swing a girl on each one of your arms. You can set up your tent, hell, you can bring your RV to the Robinson